So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP US GBPJPY. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on GBPJPY. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. Second, you need to trade with the trend. What can we say our GBPJPY trend is? It is very clear that we are in an uptrend move. GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. So this is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high, right? Here comes the higher pullback level. Now market has now pushed up to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Now guys, take a look at this moment. Market has given us an higher low and it has tapped our 10 period simple moving average. So let us see if this will likely be a confluence for market to push up or markets likely to drop one more time, as there's a possibility that markets like pull back and drop one more time. The possibility is still very much there. So I want you guys to have it in mind. I mean, take a look at this right here. This was once a resistance level, right? This was once a resistance level, right? Now the market has given us a breakout that broke above it. So market is likely to pull back to retest it again. So there's a possibility to do that, or markets will likely push up again. So whatever market does, right, we just need to stay updated. So if you don't want to miss out on the update, it's very simple. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Follow the Telegram channel also to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.